learning evaluation piecewise function. So, ang piecewise function is hahanapin natin ito. Where is it? Ito. So, we're looking for something. Sabi kasi dito, dapat yung x daw is less than 2. Kasi dito naman sa pangalawa, ang sabi dito, kailangan yung x is more than or equal than 2. Tapos ito yung given natin. Tapos ito yung mga questioner. Mga questioner to. So yung evaluation kasi, ibig sabihin ng evaluate, papalitan mo yung x. So example, let's try to answer it. F is negative 2. Ibig sabihin lahat ng x may negative 2. So let's try this one first. Dahil negative 2 is less than positive 2, try natin tong equation niya. So 4, si x papalitan natin ng 2. May evaluate positive 5. Now let's try to solve it. So 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Bring down positive 5. Now, negative 8 combined to 5 is negative 3. So, an answer is negative 3. This is the final answer of number 1. So, is it true that negative 3 is lower than 2? It's true. Negative 3 is lower than 2. So the answer here is negative 3. So the answer here is negative 3. Let's highlight the answer. So for the next one is 2. As you can see, 2 is more than 2. So no, they are equal. So you can see here there's a more than or equal. So we can use 2 in here. So let's try to use this equation for this question. So 3 equal to 3x. There's a x. So let's swap negative 2 to the x. Papalitan lang natin ng 2 yung x. Kasi yung evaluate natin. Tapos, negative 8. Ito yung equation na ginamit natin. Kasi ito yung check natin kung tama. 3 times 2 is 6. Bring down 8. Negative 8. Positive 6 combine negative 8. It will be, so, example, we have 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then let's divide it to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So cancel out. This is how combination works. So there is negative 2. So the answer is negative 2. If you don't know how to combine number, this is how combination work. Negative is bottom, positive is in the top. So let's check if it's true. Is negative 2 less than, is more than or equal to negative 2? That's right. It's not equal. It's not more. So it's not, that's not the answer. So let's try. Let's try to use this equation. So So 4 Let's swap x to 2. Positive 5. So 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 5 is 13. Is 13 more or less? So less than 2? No. So 2 doesn't have an answer because it's not less or more or equal to negative 2 positive 2. It's not more than positive 2. About 5. Let's try this first. Wait, 5 is higher than 2. So we can just use this, I think. Yes, because this should be higher than this one. So let's use this. So 3, let's swap x to 5, negative 8. 3 times 5 is 15, minus 8. 15 minus 8. It will be 7. So 7 is the answer. Let's see if it's true. 7. Indeed, 7 is higher than 2. So it's correct. And don't mind those line, okay? Those line is nothing. So 7 is correct. The answer on number 5 is 7. Positive 7. Now let's try a more given. How about this one? So this is the given, and here's the question. Now we need to locate them. What is those answers? So first here, let's see here. There's the x it should be 5. It should be negative 5 is higher, more than the or equal than the x, and then x is less than negative 1. So what is less than 1 here? Let's try 0. Let's try 2. So 2 will be swapped, and negative x will be turned into squared positive 3. And x will be swapped to 2. And negative 7. Now let's solve. 2 squared is 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. Bring down 7. 4 times 6 is 10. 10 minus 7 is positive 3. Equal to positive 3. That's the answer on our first question. So let's see if it's correct. So it's not, because it say here it should be more positive 3. See, this 3 is higher than both sides. So let's try other equation. So my trick here is, if you want technique to not try everything, you should look on the if side. Here you should look here first. Like, look, this 2 is look like equal to this 2. So we're gonna use this equation. So 12, there is no x, so there is no solving. 2 is equal to 12. That's the final answer. Here, negative 4. Wala naman kasing x dito, kaya wala tayong ipagpapalit sa number 2. So yung given dito, yun yung sagot. So sa 4 naman, negative 4. Sabi kasi dito, dapat yung x mas mababa kaysa sa dito sa 7. So mas mababa naman si 4. Dito rin, no? Si negative 4 is mas mataas kaysa dito. Mas mataas si negative 4 kaysa kay negative 5. Naka-check yun. Tapos mas mataas si negative 1 kaysa kay negative 4. So try natin itong equation na to. So papalitan natin si negative 4, si x ng negative 4. Squared positive 3. So si x, papalitan natin ng negative 4 plus negative 7. So 4 times 4 is 4 times 4 16. So 16, 3 times 4 12. This will be positive because both negative times negative is positive. Here, positive times negative is negative. Bring down 7. 16 plus, I combine 12 is 4. 16 combined 12 is 4. Bring down 7. 4 combined 7 is negative 3. So here's the answer. Negative 3. So let's put negative 3 here. It is lower than negative 1. And it's not higher than negative 5. Negative 5 should be higher. So it's wrong. So walang sagot si si 4. What if tanggalin ko na lang tong ayan. In-edit ko na lang. So negative 3. Mas mataas na yung past negative 1 kaysa kay negative 3. So it's correct. Mali ako nang nalagyan ng given. Hindi mali siya no pag meron siyang negative 5 is higher. At para nilagay ko dito ang given is kung sakaling negative 3 yung dito, dapat more than negative 5. Kasi mataas to. Dapat ganyan pala yung nilagay ko. Mali yung nilagay ko. More than or equal. Ngayon si 0 naman, try natin dito si 0. Mas mataas si 7 kaysa sa 0. So, let's try. So, 5, 0, Tapos plus 6. 5 times 0 is 0. Plus 6 equal to 6. So, pag nilagay natin 6 dito, 7 is higher than 6. So, it's right. So, ang sagot dito, 6. Good luck sa test ko bukas. May quiz, mag-exam na kami bukas eh. Sa STEM. And that's how you evaluate